Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. I'm here today to explain about formatting cells in Excel. So formatting cells in Excel always not give you the accurate result, but we use them sometime. So for example, if we have our spreadsheet and I'm going to add a sheet here with the details as I can see here, that first, then second, and then here product, and then I'm going to write the values as they have written here 1.2, and then we write here 5, and then what they have mentioned here, place in cell C2 the multiplies that content of A2 by content of B2. So format cell A2 as an integer. So what I'm going to do, I will click here first of all, right click, format cells, and I'm going to format it as a number with 0 decimal, and then I click on OK here, and then I'm going to get the product. So equal to this cell multiply by this cell. When I press the enter button, I get the result 6. It should get for us 1 multiplied by 5, 5, but it is 1.2. So 1.2 multiplied by 5, it should get us some other value. It is getting here 6. It means that formatting cell is not always accurate. So in this case, we prefer to use int and wrong function to get the accurate result. So formatting cell is not just to get the values in points and other values. You can even format the cell. For example, I'm going to format it again as a general number it was. So now this time our result is, if I just multiply these two cells, I get this result here. Now what I'm going to do, as this is the product, I want this one in currency. So right click, I can format it as currency here, number, currency, and then I have different currency symbols here. So for example, I'm going to get from here pound, UK pound. So that's the UK pound, and then this is how we get the result here with the 2 decimal places. If you want to increase or decrease the decimal places, you can do that. You can even present your data as percentage, and you can even present it as a date and time. So we prefer to use the currency sometime in the calculation, or we just leave it text, so it will be just text. Even if you multiply that with any number, the result will not change because it's text. So if it is currency, it will look like this. So I have changed this one to currency now. So this is how we usually use to work with our cells. In the same way, formatting cells will also help you. For example, these are the cells, or this is I want to represent this one in the sheet as a table. So right click, format cells, and then I can choose from here border, and then I choose the outside border and inside border. So this is how my all cells will be selected, as you can see. And in the same way, for example, I'm going to increase the height of this cell and the column as well, and I type here some data. For example, ICT. When I press enter button, you see it is just here at the bottom left of the cell. This cell is divided into 9 equal parts. So right click, formatting cell, and here we have an option alignment, Here we have alignment horizontal and vertical. So left, right, center and justify, they comes under category of horizontal alignment. So for example, at the moment I choose center. And then we have vertical alignment, which means top, center and bottom. So I choose here center, and when I click on OK here, you can see your text is exact in the center of the cell. Let me reduce the size of the cell and even the column, and I type here now the data ICT examination for 2020 and 2021. And when I press the button, you see, look at my text, it is written in a single cell, which is D4, but it is going out of the table or out of that cell. So in this case, I select all the cells and right click, format cells, and I have an option here, text wrap. When you click on text wrap and click on OK, you see now your data is looking like that. If you extend this one little bit, this is how it will look like, or if you even scroll it down, drag it down even, the data is clear. So in this case it is preferred to be used, for example, when we select and we merge these cells, you see now it is how will look like. Then also in the formatting of cells, we have another option, right click, format cells, that is called fill. So for example, you want to fill these cells or this specific cell only, so format and fill it up with a color, for example like that. And then we have also an option in the alignment itself. If you want to rotate or you just want to move your text in this degree, so it will be written like that. So it means you can format the cell as you want. So this is how we use the formatting of cells in Excel. Hope you have learned how to format your cells. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.